question, you have to identify the plant parts which consists of two generations, one within the other. Now statement 1, pollen grains inside the anther. Now this is correct as pollen grains represent the male gametophyte, which is a haploid generation, and are present inside the anther, which is the part of the sporophyte, that is diploid generation. Therefore, this shows two generations, the haploid gametophyte inside the diploid sporophyte. Now, statement 2, germinated pollen grain with two male gametes. Now, this is incorrect. Once the pollen grain germinates, it contains male gametes, but it is no longer represented by two generations within one another. Now, statement 3, that is seed inside the fruit. The seed represents the sporophyte generation, while the fruit is also a part of the sporophyte generation. So there are no two generations here. Both are part of the same generation. Now statement 4, embryo sac inside the ovule. Now this is correct. The embryo sac is the female gametophyte, that is haploid generation, that develops within the ovule, which is a part of the sporophyte, that is diploid generation. So this also represents two generations. The haploid gametophyte, that is the embryo sac, inside the diploid sporophyte, that is the ovule. Hence the correct answer is option B.